Hello everyone. So I just want to tell you the difference between active income and passive income, right? So active income in a nutshell is basically like your 9 to 5 job, right? So you have to work or you're trading your time for money, right? And passive income now is like when you do the work up front and then you keep getting paid over and over and over, right? So for example, like having a YouTube channel is like having passive income where you create videos and the videos keep making you money with Google AdSense and your products that you advertise on it. So follow me guys for more tips. Bye.